the user interface when you log in might differ from company to company, because that is something that the companies can modify based on their needs. Some companies you see the work list directly, some companies you see case action open directly, and sometimes you see your personal artist errors. Okay. So now, today we basically will be dealing with the reports tab. I'll go through each and every option that you have under reports tab. Okay. So let's start with compliance. So when you click on compliance, and the first thing you see is expedited. You click here. So guys, this is how your expedited reporting section looks like. Basically, this particular section tells you about all the reports that are being scheduled in the case. Okay, so the report scheduling keeps on happening when you enter the case, and once the case leaves data entry to QC, the scheduling starts happening based on whatever data that you have entered during data entry. Once the case reaches the medical review, obviously the report might get updated. It might get automatically deleted because the event is expected, and that's the reason why the case need not go to the regulatory anymore. So Argus Safety, after every stage, runs the reporting rules again and again, and until the case is locked. Okay. Now you will see all the scheduled report, irrespective of the fact the case is locked or unlocked. Okay. Now, just to tell you the very basics, first you enter your case in the data entry mode. Then the case goes to quality review. Then the case goes to medical review. Once the case is medically reviewed, the medical reviewer locks the case. Only once the case is locked. A locked case means that everything about the case is complete now, starting from data entry to expectedness to medical review, that is causality, seriousness, everything has been done in the case. The case is ready to go to the regulatory. Okay? That's when you lock a case. Once the case is locked, that's when Argus Safety transmits the report to the regulatory agencies. Okay, but till the time the case is not locked, the reports will keep on scheduling, and you will see the scheduled reports over here. Okay, under the expedited report section. So in the first column where you see this green circle with arrows, this basically means that the report is auto-generated. Okay, and if you don't see any green circle, that means the report is manually scheduled. When the report is manually scheduled, that means that someone went into the case and scheduled the reports manually. But if you see this green arrow, that means the report is scheduled by the system. Okay, no one did it manually. The system, based on the data available in the case, is scheduling the reports. Now, why is this case over here, and why has Argus Safety not transmitted the case as of now to the regulatory? Because the case is still unlocked. Okay, and till the time the case is unlocked, that means system knows that the case is not fully ready to be transmitted to the regulatory, and that's the reason why you will see the scheduled report in this section. Okay. So this is about auto scheduling. Then if you want to select a case and then view it, then you can just select the case from here. The symbol below it, that means that it's an unlocked case, and then the reporting status. The status of the report is it's just scheduled. It's neither transmitted, it's not submitted.